Hello everyone, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to tell you that how you can improve your communication skills. So what is the most important component of improving your communication skills is bringing the confidence in yourself. What happens when you are in the earlier stage, then always this problem is faced by everyone, that the hesitation comes in front of you, and always whenever you have to speak among the people, okay, and among the chunk of the people, then you start fumbling. And how you can eradicate it, that is the solution, just by practicing it. Okay, how many times you practice, that matters a lot. And what you can decide to do the practice. Okay, so and there are some of the tips that I want to share with you, that I also applied and improved my communication skills. So the same thing you can also apply, and you will definitely see the drastic change in your communication skills. So what you have to do is, first, whatever you do in a day, okay, whatever you do in a day, in the night, what you do, you pen down the whole thing. Okay, in the starting you are not very well in your speaking skills, so what you have to do, you just note down whatever you do in your daily routine. When you note down that, just to go through it once, okay, and speak it loudly, so that your pronunciation can also become better. When you go through whatever you have done, so one or twice if you practice it, then it comes automatically into your mind. So from the third or the fourth day, it could be vary for each of the person, because everyone has their different potential. So for some people it could be extended to the 1 week, and for some 2 weeks. So whenever you feel comfortable, so you start going through about that. And when you feel confidence, then don't know pen down the daily routine, just remember it into your mind. Okay, when you are going in the bed, then before 5 minute or 10 minute, you just recall whatever you did in your the whole throughout the day. So start speaking that into yourself. Okay, start speaking that into yourself, and only in English. You have to decide the language only to speak in English. How you will be speaking the sentence, just as for example, I am giving you the example, that if I am thinking that what I have done yesterday. So yesterday, first I got up early at 6 o'clock, then I took the bath, and I went to the park with my friend, and I enjoyed over there. I played the cricket there, and then we came back to our home. Then we drink, uh, and later on we had the breakfast. So in this way what you have to do, you just practice it. And when you are doing the practice, and do it for the fortnight, for 14 days, 15 days, and then you will see that you are feeling the confident. Okay, so when once you are confident, then switch to the another thing. When you are confident in yourself, then show your confidence also outside. So externally you have to show that you are now confident, and whatever the sentence is relating to your daily routine, just feel comfortable to speak in front of the people, and this will definitely transform your communication skills. And that is all the matter of the confidence. Okay, there are so many people, and they are not that much perfect in language, but they are speaking very confidently. Even they are using was instead of is, but they are not hesitated. Why? Because they are practicing it, and they are continuously, constantly improving it. So you have to focus upon the improvement, not your weaknesses. Just focus upon your strength. So what is your strength? And positive, be always positive. When you are positive, your tendency is positivity, or you are optimistic, then you can achieve any of the goal. So that is my point, that you can apply in your daily routine, and you can improve your communication skills. So thank you very much for listening me till the end. And in order to watch out such type of videos relating to your communication skills, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, so that you can get the notification of all the videos that is uploaded further.